My dear, at times, I'll be craving what I actually don't eat. Like this popcorn, I'll be craving just to popcorn, like just to make popcorn. I carry my two left leg, waka go store. Now, at this point, I was contemplating because I've not done this thing before. Which of the corn is better? Which of this label should I take? Should I take expensive one? Does it make any difference? Why is it more expensive? Why is the cheaper one cheaper? And why is the expensive one expensive? I couldn't give myself an answer. I ended up taking just one. This, they say, foreign popcorn. I don't understand it. Myself, I just took one. All I know is that I actually got the cheaper one because this is my first time of trying to make this popcorn. I carry myself, waka go back. This is the only thing I picked from the mall because I was just craving to popcorn, as in to make this popcorn all for you. So I had to get the things I have at home. I brought my butter, sugar, and little salt with milk. Then this my corn. I started by adding little butter into the pan, then poured in my corn and added some sugar, guys, with a pinch of salt. It came out nice. And then, well, let me tell you first, I covered it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, nobody told me the timing, and of course on the pack there was no timing. Nobody wrote that you have to allow it to pop for 4 to 3 minutes. By then maybe I wouldn't have gotten the kind of result I got. But guys, the thing came out nice at first. See, I've opened it the first time, it was popping. I was like, wow, it's so easy. I closed this and opened the second time. I was like, wow. My brain did not tell me, sister, it's okay. And because I was hearing, twa, twa, twa. Do you know I allowed this thing to keep popping? Inside my head, I was cooking rice and beans and jollof rice and spicy this and that. Do you know what happened to me later? Watch till the end of this video. You will see what happened to me anyways. It's not a bad idea. It's not bad because it's my first time. So you watching this video, if this is your first time of trying to popcorn, please do not exceed at I think 5 to 6 minutes of popping your corn to avoid what happened to me here to happen to you. Okay, so my popcorn came out nice, and this is what I'm trying to show you. You know, the online food vendors of online shelves, they will not tell you the bad side. They will only come and show you the good side. You can imagine me. Yes, I've added salt and using the sieve for the first time. Sorry, I added sugar. The sieve now, as I was trying to mix everything together, all my sugar came down to the plate under. You can imagine. That's why I said, do not use that method. I also added milk without paying attention to the plate under first. It was after I added the milk and now found out that everything came out to the plate under. So I said no to this pattern. When you want to add your sugar, your salt, your cream, or whatever, please use this method. Pour it in a container that has cover, or maybe even if it doesn't have cover, so you can use spoon to turn it around, turn it better, and it will get a better mix. Okay, so sweet that if you're still watching up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. I will appreciate that. Okay, so let me still show you what happened after I allowed the thing to pop for up to 10 minutes. Nobody will show you that except me. This is the funniest part you see on internet today. See, I had lots of burnt popcorn. I mean, they were all burnt. But because things are quite expensive now, my dear, I wouldn't have thrown them away because, I mean, buying popcorn this expensive, just ordinary corn that can get over the counter this amount. It wasn't nice, so I just had to eat it like that. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.